Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, the following topics will be covered. Today, we shall understand how the data or any changes made in the back office is synchronized in the point of sale application. Here, the data includes items, prices, POS related setup, customers, etc. So let's start. Now we will see how the various jobs can be synchronized from the back office in the point of sale application. So go to the menu, go to retail module. Under retail module you will find periodic. Under that, select distribution scheduler wizard. Now here you can see distribution job and all stores. Under distribution job you can select various jobs that you want to synchronize. Let's select items and systems. Here if you select all stores, the jobs would get synchronized for all the stores. And let's say if you want to make changes for a particular store, so you can click here and you can select the store in which you want to synchronize the changes. So let's click on this store Hamza and click OK. Now here you can see the status is showing pending. So once you click enter here in the search bar, it will get refreshed and the status would be completed, and the data would be synchronized in the point of sale application for this store Hamza. And if there is any error, so these lines would turn red and an error message would display here. So we will click enter here. Now you can see the lines that were displayed here earlier is gone because the task is completed. This is how changes can be synchronized from the back office in the point of sale application. Now we will see how to import data from the point of sale application. There are two ways from which we can import the data. The first way is by going to the admin panel here, click on the import cloud data and select any of the job. Let's say we will select items and click on this run job, and the data will be imported in the POS. Now the second way to import data is by going to the manager's task. Here you can see the option of import cloud data. Click on this option and again you can select any of the job. Let's say we will select systems and click on the run job, and the data will be imported in the POS. Now here as you can see there are two options, that is incremental and full. So when you select the incremental option and click on the run job, this will compare the data and will apply only the changes. This option is faster and recommended. And when you select on this full option and click on the run job, this will import and will rewrite the complete data, and it is slower and only recommended to use if the incremental option gives an error. So these are the ways to import data from POS.